In this video, we'll be discussing the Transparent Commands toolbar in Civil 3D. If you would like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0209 transparentcommands.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. So what are transparent commands? Transparent commands are commands that enable you to access your design objects while using either standard AutoCAD commands or Civil 3D commands. To access the Transparent Commands toolbar, navigate to the View tab, User Interface panel, Toolbars, Civil Category, and Transparent Commands. This is a toolbar, so that these tools are not in the Ribbon tab interface. I'll go ahead and leave mine up here for the purposes of this video. So if you look at the Transparent Commands toolbar, you will notice that it is categorized. We have angular type transparent commands like angle distance, bearing distance, and so on. You have northing and easting type transparent commands or point commands for locating points in the drawing. You have alignment commands for locating the station and offset of an alignment. You have profile transparent commands that allow you to easily create profiles using some of the profile transparent commands like distance grade, profile grade station, and so on. And lastly, we have the match radius and match length and so on commands, which will match existing AutoCAD or Civil 3D objects and apply them to proposed objects. So how do you use transparent commands? Let's say, for example, I would like to create a polyline and I want to use the alignment to define station and offset values to create this polyline. First, I will start the polyline command. And the way that the transparent commands work is they work while you're in the middle of a command. So now I will access the station offset transparent command. Note that you can also type in '(SO) to quickly access the station offset transparent command. Notice the prompts. It says SO, and then you have these two greater than symbols that say select alignment. When you see those two greater than symbols, you know that you are still in the transparent command. Those are visual cues that tell you that. I'll select my alignment, and then it says specify station along alignment. Notice how you get this alignment jig that allows me to snap to existing AutoCAD objects if I so desire. In this case, I want to type in my stationing. I'll type in 110, enter. Notice how the jig locks into the 110 station value, and now you are prompted to define an offset. If you would like to go left of the alignment, start the value with a negative number. If you want to go right of the alignment, start the value with a positive number. I want to type in -45, and there's my first point. The line has not appeared yet because I only have one point created, but notice that there is a little plus sign signifying that I have started the polyline command. Let's go ahead and keep going here. Again, notice the two greater than symbols that tell me I am in the middle of a transparent command. I'll type in 2 plus a pair or 200, and then type in my offset of -52.5. Enter. And notice how my polyline is beginning to draft. If let's say that was it for using the transparent commands along with the polyline command, I could simply press escape once on the keyboard. That puts me back into the polyline command and I can continue drafting. If I so desire to use one of the transparent commands, I can simply access them through the transparent commands toolbar or type in the shortcut key associated to it, in this case, '(SO). I'll now type in my alignment. Notice how AutoCAD Civil 3D automatically knows the last alignment that you selected, and then I'll type in my value for the offset. Let's say I wanted to draw this polyline across the road. I'll enter 5 plus 00, and then I'll just type in a positive value of what I typed in before. And notice how the command continues all the way across the road. So this command is very useful for designing many standard AutoCAD objects, as well as using it for Civil 3D object design. I'll press escape to resume my polyline command. If let's say I am done, I can press escape to end the command. That is a standard procedure for using transparent commands. This concludes this video discussing the transparent commands.